C3 is y equals to minus 1.5x plus 4 the perpendicular bisector of the line segment with endpoints minus 3, 2 and 3, 6. Show your work. Well, try to do this question, stop the video meanwhile. Once you're done, look into my solution. Okay, this is a very good question. Now, to solve it, let's try to make a sketch. Let's say our endpoints are these. Let's say these are our endpoints, and the endpoints are minus 3, 2 and 3, 6. Now, perpendicular bisector means that the line will go through the center of this line. That means right here, let's say this is my midpoint, and will be perpendicular to it. That means kind of like this. So that is my perpendicular bisector. So what we need to show is that this line goes through this point. Only then it is a perpendicular bisector. Otherwise, it is not, right? So first thing what we should do here is to figure out whether the center of the segment lies on the given line or not. So let's find center of this segment. So let's say midpoint here is what? So midpoint here is equals to, we'll add the x terms, which is minus 3 plus 3 divide by 2. That's the x value. And 2 plus 6 divide by 2, correct? So that gives us minus 3 plus 3 is 0. And 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have to check if midpoint 0, 4 lies on our curve, on our equation y equals to minus 1.5x plus 4 or not. Let's check that part. So we are given the equation y equals to minus 1.5x plus 4, and if I write x equals to 0, what do I get for y? So if I write 0, then this becomes 0 plus 4. That means y equals to 4, right? Y equals to 4, so correct. That means 0, 4 lies on the line. So we check that part, right? So first check we have made that this is correct, and we say, well, that means that the point at least 0, 4 is on the line. That's first part check. Now the second part is that the slope should be negative reciprocal, right? So let's find the slope. So what is the slope of the line going through point minus 3 to 3? And these 2 points. Slope will be y2 minus y1, right? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 6, 6 minus 2 divided by 3 minus minus 3. So 3 minus of minus 3. So that gives us 6 minus 2 is 4, and 3 minus minus becomes plus, so we get 6. That means is equal to 2 over 3, right? It can be simplified to 2 over 3. So the slope of our perpendicular bisector should be negative reciprocal. That means M perpendicular bisector should be negative 3 over 2, right? Or which in decimals is equals to 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, negative 1.5. That's correct. So our slope, given slope is also equals to minus 1.5. Therefore, y equals to minus 1.5x plus 4 is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment with endpoints minus 3, 2 and 3, 6, correct? You need to write all that, which I am saying, okay? You have to write that this is the perpendicular bisector since the midpoint of the segment lies on this point, and the slope of this line is negative reciprocal of the line segment given, correct? Thank you.